My name is Sebastian Jose Mojica. I'm a fourth-year college student pursuing BSIT at STA College San Pablo. And here at FBS, I am a trainee in full stack development. And una kong nalaman yung FBS is nung nag-conduct kami ng OJT seminar sa school. And dun ko nalaman na partnered company or organization pala ng school namin yung FBS. But it is not the first time na narinig ko yung FBS. It was actually from our seniors BSIT students din na dito nag-conduct ng OJT nila. And na-recommend sa amin na maganda nga daw dito, and yung focus is kung IT ka is more on web dev. And also from other faculties and OJT advisors, na-recommend din nila yung FBS. So it's more on words of mouth, parang ganun. And then nung una kong nalaman yung FBS, and isa yun sa na-consider ko rin na puntahan as mapag-OJT-han. And then it was on January 2026, last day of January, nung pumunta kami dito sa FBS. Actually, marami kami nun eh. And nagpa-reserve kami ng slot face-to-face, and they welcome us warmly. And since dito na rin naman kami, dito na rin supposedly online yung orientation, pero dito na nila nasabi yung mga training syllabus, and that includes UI UX design, front-end development, and up to back-end development. So yun yung mga expectations ko na matututunan throughout our OJT journey. I'd say absolutely yes, nahit naman yung expectation ko, and masaya ako sa mga natutunan ko dito sa FBS. So speaking of mga natutunan, nung first week pa lang, una naming tinakel is yung UI UX tools such as Figma. So doon, gumawa kami ng sariling portfolio and we explore the basics of Figma. And after that, we proceed to the basics of CSS, HTML, and then followed by CSS processors like Sass. And then we proceed to Tailwind. Then after noon, we had a grasp and understanding of the fundamentals ng front-end development. Nag-proceed na rin kami sa back-end, and that includes PHP and MySQL. And ano yung mga memorable events or experiences dito sa FBS? I think it was nung first time namin umattend nung company fellowship. So it was a very memorable kasi meron dong event or palaro na isa ako sa mga naging contestant, and then napili ako kasi inayusan ko yung outfit ko nun eh. So isa ako sa mga contestant, and yung basically ang gagawin mo lang doon is parang irarampa mo lang yung outfit mo. And me as a very competitive person, meron dong employee na may hawak na aso. And then ayun, since yun, sumipa yung pagka-competitiveness ko, so ako na yung pupunta dun sa harap, kinuha ko yung aso. So ayun, and it was kind of embarrassing. Ilang araw din akong binangungot doon, pero it was a very memorable and it was fun. And I also would like to commend the culture of FBS kasi meron silang mga ganong events na talaga nakakatulong to strengthen the bonds and connection ng mga employees. Kung ano yung masasabi ko or ma-advise ko for the next trainees is that sana i-keep natin yung pagiging competitive natin, and also in the industry, mahirap na pag-iiwanan ka. So kailangan meron kang sariling effort na hindi at maging independent ka na rin. So kasi not all the times naman is kailangan ini-spoon-fed sa'yo yung mga ituturo and knowledge. And next is kung ano yung mga challenges ko na na-experience dito sa FBS and kung paano ko sila na-overcome. So first of all is may background knowledge naman ako pagdating sa web development, but it's just the very basic. So nung tinuturuan na kami, meron akong mga unfamiliar technical terms na hindi alam, and siyempre marami naman kaming trainees dito, and not all the times is nakikater ng trainer yung or pag kailangan ko ng tulong. So siyempre inuuna ng mga trainer yung talagang mas nangangailangan. So ako ay as a developer, I developed this mindset na maging independent na rin. So with the help of AI and internet, I overcome them by using AI, of course, as a tool. But it also comes with a cost kasi minsan sa paggamit ng AI, naaabuso natin. So, kailangan maging disiplinado na rin para ma-challenge din yung utak natin na mag-isip. Hindi lang yung rely sa AI. So, lastly, I would like to say na naging positive naman ang stay ko dito sa FBS and marirecommend ko ito sa other students or sa mga fourth-year students na may upcoming OJT program because not all companies naman ay nag-offer ng ganitong OJT program. Kasi although most of them ay ipapagawa sa iyo kung ano talaga yung ginagawa ng mga employees, but here, ititrain ka na maging proficient and maging competitive pagdating sa web development. And here, not only sa soft skills mo, but also ma-enhance din yung technical skills. And yeah, that's it. Yun lang po masasabi ko. And so far, so good ang stay ko here sa FBS.